guys, GT20 Modding here. Just a simple cable management edit in today's video. I think the cable management on the computer currently sucks. So let's get right to it. So first thing we're gonna attack is this. Done. So first thing we're gonna be doing is putting this on here and cleaning up our workstation to be able to fit a graphics card here. And yes, this is a grounded mat. The little grounding cable runs all the way back here and clips onto the back. I'm not like Linus, who apparently says that he has one on his foot when he really doesn't. And no, I don't have one on my foot. So let's get started with first removing out the graphics card. In case anyone's wondering, this is in fact a MSI 1050. I will always stick with the NVIDIA cards, but crap. I've used Intel for so long. I'm going with an AMD Ryzen once I have, once the bank account allows, so. I'd have to say that building in the 400C is fairly easy. It's a little cramped. I'm actually thinking about water cooling, but they don't make blocks for the 1050, or at least the MSI model. You gotta push the little latch back here, and grab and pull straight back. Here's my card. It's not much. It's only a $120 card. A single heat pipe and PCI Express. 16x slot. And it has accent LEDs, and there's dragons on the fans, which I find really neat. And same with on the logo. And that lights up red. This one does. I'm just gonna set that there and move on to the next thing. Well, I take it that the next thing's gonna be removing that back panel. And thank God for thumb screws. Otherwise, this would be a pain in the butt. Okay. So this isn't as simple as it looks with only one hand. See, it's a cable mess back there. And this random little IR receiver sticking out. I don't understand what that's about. I know what it's about. It's about the RGB strip sitting here and up here. Got one back there and one up here. So I guess we're gonna go with the SATA cables next. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the power supply shroud. Even though, yes, it is a thumb screw, it's not exactly easy to remove, especially one-handed. And in case anyone's wondering, that is a the motherboard is a MSI B150 Gaming M3, and I'm upgrading soon. When I do Ryzen, I'm thinking about doing a Gigabyte board, a Gigabyte AB350 Gaming. No M3, no M anything. Oh, I forgot. There's a little slot right here that I have all the front panel connectors coming from. So that's nice. Okay guys, so here's the thing. I did not get the rest of the footage done because, well, I was called for something and I forgot about recording when I got back. Oh well. Hey, at least I get some B-roll out of this. Cue B-roll. Alright guys, so here's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Go like it. Go subscribe if you haven't. And leave a thumbs up if you think we should do, I don't know, SFP connections from my server to my PC. I think that would be a good idea. I mean, 10 gigabits is only like hella blazing fast.